now discussing conveyors and chip management at the Hennig booth, and I have Scott Cooley from Hennig Inc. And tell me about this CDF, this Chip Disc Filtration. That looks interesting to me. I get into coolant management a lot. We sell coolants, but you guys are on the other side of things, managing where the coolant goes and where the chips go. Tell me about that, Scott.
Yeah, absolutely, Jason. So traditional conveyors have just a coolant slot on the side of the conveyor. Okay. And what happens is, inevitably, some of the chips are going to migrate into the coolant tank, creating issues with the pumps and such. What we have done is we've developed a unique filtering system, which is what we call Chip Disc Filtration, or CDF system. And the CDF system is designed such that none of the chips can get into the tank without passing through. And then if you need further filtration, we have other items that we can add in there, whether it's bag filters or cyclonic pumps. So we have different things there that we can utilize.
Okay, and is this like an upgrade to your normal systems, or is this standard on all of your systems?
This is definitely an upgrade.
Okay.
So if a customer is looking for maybe a lights out situation where it's unmanned, this is certainly a unit that will work very well for them. We are very unique, where many of our competitors have a drum that's built into the inside of their conveyor. Our system has a disc that's located on the exterior of the frame of the conveyor. That's very important because
makes it probably easy for maintenance, right?
Maintenance is paramount. It's very important that you can get these up and running as quickly as possible. Any maintenance that you require, you can do in 15 to 20 minutes.
Okay, can you show me what happens when you take that off?
Absolutely. So you basically have two screws. You take this system off here, and you can get access to the disc itself. We have a stainless steel wear plate that the seal actually runs on. The system can either be a 12-inch or a 16-inch disc. We can put as many of these on as required. The largest system we've made it has 12 16-inch discs.
Oh, wow.
That flow 5,200 gallons a minute.
Wow.
And this particular system is set up for 25 to 30 microns of nominal filtration. How it works is the coolant flows out the bottom of the screen rotates, the disc rotates as the belt moves. And what happens is, as the chips collect on the screen, we have a coolant blow off on the top of the unit. So it's self-cleaning.
So Scott, I keep seeing everywhere, making your customers successful. Tell me what that means to you and what it means to Hennig.
Well, it's very important that we are making what the customer requires.
Okay. So
from a conveyor standpoint, really understanding what the customer's needs are. If they're cutting fine chips, or if they're cutting long stringy chips, understanding if they need a scraper conveyor or a hinge belt conveyor, okay, or if they need the filtering technology that we talked about previously.
Okay, so you really come in there and you customize it to their applications. It's not just a standard conveyor system. It's really specific to them.
Absolutely.
Okay.
That's what's really important to us. Some of the other features we've done is trying to take some of the wear items out of the systems. Many of the traditional conveyors had a torque limiter where the motor is actually on the top of the head of the conveyor.
Okay.
And we've gone away from that, going with a direct drive system, adding a variable speed drive to the conveyor system, and utilizing a current sensor. So just some of the things that we're trying to do so the customer doesn't have the aggravation of
Right. Always bring that
downtime.
continuous improvement to your products.
Correct.
Great.
Yep.